Alright, now let's look at our next question. That is from WASSCE July 2009, question 1B. This question too, there are a lot of similar questions in the past question. There are a lot of similar questions. So I'm going to take my time and explain for you to understand. And if you are able to get it, the rest are going to be simple. Alright. So now let's move on. So you have to express this in the form P plus Q square root of R, where P, Q, and R are rational numbers. Now, you see, there are some students, you don't take your time when you solve this question. You just rush, the moment you see this, then you go put this one down, then you go. Understand, there is a reason why these ones are attached. In the form P plus Q, square root of R, where P, Q, and R are rational numbers. Now, the first thing to know is that what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed in the form A over what? B, where B can never be equal to what? 0. Because for B to be equal to 0, the function will be what? On the bar. So it means that the P, Q, and R that we are to find is going to give us a fraction. So if you end up by getting a whole number, it means you are wrong. So before you attempt the question, you need to be able to decode some of these things. I hope it's clear. Alright. So it may be that B will be 2 over 3, or Q is going to be 7 over 2, but we don't know. But there is no way that you are going to get something like the whole number. No. For instance, P is equal to 2. No, you are wrong. You are wrong. Alright. So let's start. So you now quote that minus 4 square root of 3 all over 6 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 2. So what do you do here? What you do is that you rationalize. Yes, I'm sure you are aware. But you know, in some of your books, it's written as a sub-question, as a subtopic there. Rationalizing the denominator, rationalizing the denominator. So most students, all that you know is rationalizing the denominator, rationalizing the denominator. But today I'm going to shock you. It's not always the denominator you can rationalize, but you can also rationalize the numerator. It doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. What I'm saying, if you think it's going to help you when you move on to your next level, that's tertiary. So you can also rationalize the numerator also. But let's go to the normal way to rationalize the denominator. So here you're going to get 6 square root of 3 plus. Sorry, you know that the one that you are rationalizing, you change the sign in between it. So it will be minus 2 square root of 2 all over 6 square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 2. Yeah, most students don't understand the reason why they even change the sign. They don't even know. You want to know it? You see, even if I break class, it will still not change anything. What is this? This will cancel this, and it's 1. So whether plus or minus, it's still 1 here. And whenever 1 multiply anything, it's still the same thing. So if here is 1, it doesn't matter if you make it plus or minus. I'm coming. I just want to prove, like I just want to explain some misconceptions. So listen to me well. I'm not saying that you can make it plus, and I'm not saying that you can make it minus, but I'm coming from somewhere in our life. So now, you can make it plus or minus. The concept is that the whole of this is still 1. And once it's 1, it's 1. And when 1 multiply anything, it's still the same thing. So if you make it plus or you make it minus, you haven't changed anything from the question. You haven't changed anything from the question. But we want to maintain it to be minus. You know why? The reason why we change the sign to minus is because what? You rationalize the denominator, true or false. That's true. Now, when you rationalize the denominator, you're going to write the same thing at the denominator, top and then down. So everything here will be the same thing. This is the same thing here. This is the same thing here. The only thing changing is the sign. And what is it telling you? It's telling you that it's something like this. This is the same as what is here. This is the same as what is here. The only thing changing is the what? Is the sign. And this is coming from the idea of, go back to commas, the idea of difference of two squares. So this is coming from the idea of difference of two squares. So for a difference of two squares, if the numbers are the same and only a sign in between it, that is changing, then it will be a square minus 1, b squared. So the reason why you change the sign to the opposite sign. So if it is plus, you change to minus. If it is minus, you change to plus. It's for a reason that the whole of the denominator here will form a difference of two squares. Most teachers don't tell you this. They always say, "Rational the denominator. Rational the denominator. We change the sign." But why? Why? Next time, ask your teacher. Say, why are we to change the sign? It's for a reason that part will form a difference of two squares. So you see, looking at what is here is not the same as what is here. So the focus is not at the numerator, but the focus is at the denominator. So here you can get 3 square root of 2 minus 4 square root of 3 multiplying 6 square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 2. The whole of this over now. If and only if you know what you are doing, you are not going to waste time here to multiply the whole of this by the whole of this again. That's why you have to know that it's going to form a difference of two squares. So here I will never waste time to present it like how I have done it at the numerator. No. Because this is a difference of two squares. But you know what? I love you and I don't want to skip any step. So you know what? Let me bring it. Okay. Very good. Now, we are going to multiply. So if you are going to multiply, the whole of this, you multiply the whole of this, the whole of this, you multiply the whole of this. So 3 with 2 will multiply 6 with 3 minus 2 with 2 with 2 minus 4 square root of 3 will multiply 6 square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 2. And the whole of this is going to be over that. And here, I don't know if well, for me, I was kidding. I'm not going to say this will multiply this will multiply this. No, because I know it's forming difference of two squares, so why should I worry myself? So it simply says square root of 3 all squared minus 2 square root of 2 all squared. No matter the process that you go through, if you like, multiply this by the whole of this, multiply this by the whole of this, you end up by getting this. You can try it yourself, but for me, I don't have time for it. So let's focus on the numerator and go on. This and this. Now Now you can see that the inside are not the same. So 3 will multiply 6, which is 18. 3 says 18. Then here 2 multiply 3, which is 6. Minus 3 to 6. Square root of 2. And yes, square root of 2. And this is 2. So we remove the square root and make it 2. You can also make it square root of 2 or squared. Okay, we are now here. 4 times 6. So 4 times 6 is going to give you 24. 24. Then square root of 3 times square root of 3, that's going to give you 3. Yeah, that's going to give you 3. Now, again, I recall. So 4 times 2 will be plus 8. Then square root of 6, because square root of 3 times square root of 2 is going to give you square root of 6. And the whole of this is what you see. Once you realize the denominator is going to be 2 squares, it will reduce the work for you. So here, it just 6 square multiplying 3. So here, it just 6 square multiplying 3. And I'm going to use straightforward. So 6 is 36, and 36 times 3. So it's going to be 36 times 3. Minus, this is going to give you 4 times 2. Alright. So looking at this part, 18 square root of 6 minus 12 minus 24 times 3 is going to give you 72. 72. Yeah. 72. Make sure you try it on your calculator also you will see that's going to happen. Square root of 6. So now we can simplify something here. This and this. Since the inside are the same, we can add the outsiders. Okay. It's like 2s plus 3s. 2s plus 3s. You can say 5s. So if you have 2 square root of 6 plus 3 square root of 6, you can say 5 square root of 6. So this is going to give you 18 plus 8 square root of 6. Then negative 12 minus 72. Negative 12. Is it minus 72? Alright, let me check. Yeah, it's going to be minus 72. Oh. 72. Alright, so minus 12 minus 72 will give you minus 84. Okay. Plus 8 square root of 6. Alright. Don't forget this denominator. We forgot to bring it here. But we are going to repeat it here, so don't worry. So let's add this. The 18 plus 8 will give you 26, right? So that's going to be 26. So 36 times 3. 36 times 3 is going to be 108. 108 minus 8. Okay. So this is going to give you 26 plus 8 will give you 34. So 34 square root of 6. 34 square root of 6 minus 84. All this over 100. All this over 100. Alright. So we are almost there, and we are not there. The question says we have to express this in the form p plus q square root of r. We are not there. So when you get to this part, the 34 You see, if you have A plus B all over C, it's the same as A over C plus B over C. So this should be 34 square root of 6 over 100 minus 84 over 100. So this can be reduced. You can reduce this, okay? You can reduce this so that you limit. Alright. Alright, make sure you try something on your calculator. So now with this, we are going to get the 34 over 100. 2 can go here. 2 goes here 17, 2 goes here 50. And it will be square root of 6 minus here 4. 4 can go into 84. And you're going to get 21. 21. And 4 into 100, you're going to get 25. 25. So now you can, so you can see that now you are at the form this, which is, or let me rewrite this. It's the same as negative 21 over 25 plus 17 over 50 square root of 6. So now you are in the form P class. You see that? So your P, take note, your P is not 21 because it's supposed to be a rational number. So your P is negative 21 over 25. Your Q is going to be 17 over 50. And your R is going to be 6. Your R, that thing there is a mistake in the question. Supposed to be where P and Q are rational numbers. Shouldn't add the R to it. The R is a whole number. So the R is 6. The R is going to be 6. So if you're able to do this, then you get your full marks. You see that? Then you get your full marks. So I have solved question review, and there are a lot in the past question like this. So I'm sure you will be able to solve the rest of the ones in your past questions. Alright, so you can now try on this. You can now try on this. This is SSC of 2002, question 6B. You can try on it, which is square root of 3 minus, I hope you're writing, right? I don't have a space. Square root of 3 minus 3 square root of 2 all over square root of 3 plus 3 square root of 2. In the same way, write this, and that is all. Okay. Hope there's nothing to explain again. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.